I take on the challenge of restoring my muscle strength fast using just one simple habit. If you're anything like me, you've probably struggled with muscle weakness at some point, whether it's due to injury, illness, or just a lack of exercise. Maintaining muscle strength is crucial for our overall health and fitness, as it impacts everything from our daily activities to our long-term well-being. One of the biggest hurdles people face when trying to restore muscle strength is finding the time to focus on it. We've all got busy lives, and it's easy to let workouts fall by the wayside. Another challenge is staying motivated, especially when progress seems slow. And let's not forget about the frustration that comes with trying out different routines and not seeing the results we want. I've been there too, trying every exercise under the sun, only to feel like I'm not getting anywhere. Sometimes it feels like we're spinning our wheels, not really sure what's going to work. The truth is, restoring muscle strength doesn't have to be complicated. What if I told you there's a simple habit that can make a significant difference? It all starts with understanding how our muscles work and what they need to recover. You see, muscles need consistent stimulation to grow and repair themselves. That's where this habit comes in. It's designed to provide that gentle yet consistent stimulation your muscles need. This habit is all about making a small change to your daily routine. It's not about overhauling your entire lifestyle or spending hours at the gym. Just a few minutes each day can make a huge difference. The best part is, it's easy to fit into even the busiest schedule. So how does it work? Essentially, it involves a specific action that targets your muscles in a way that promotes recovery and growth. I've personally seen the benefits of this habit, and I'm excited to share them with you. By incorporating it into my daily routine, I've noticed a significant improvement in my muscle strength. The key insight here is that small, consistent actions can lead to big changes over time. It's not about making drastic changes, but about making sustainable ones. I'd love to share a story with you. A friend of mine was struggling to regain strength after an injury. She started incorporating this simple habit into her daily routine and was amazed at how quickly she saw results. The habit I'm talking about is isometric contractions. It's a simple exercise where you contract your muscles without moving your joints. This type of exercise can be done anywhere, anytime, and it's incredibly effective. What I love about it is that it's low impact, so it's perfect for people who are recovering from injuries or who have mobility issues. Let's recap. Restoring muscle strength is crucial for our overall health and fitness. Then, we explored a simple habit that can make a big difference: isometric contractions. The key takeaway is that consistency is key, and even small actions can lead to significant improvements over time. If you've got any questions or comments about this habit, or if you've got your own experiences with muscle recovery, I'd love to hear about them. Don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll be sharing more fitness tips and tricks to help you on your journey to optimal health.